10 years ago, Saatvik started with one simple dream: to bring clean energy to every corner of India. Today, that dream shines brighter than ever. This is our journey, a decade of light and progress.
We did not start Saatvik as a business. We started it as a belief that we could build something of value and values.
We started Saatvik with 6 people, a rented building, and one idea: to make a solar panel that didn't just meet standards, but set them.
People told us we were too young, too small, but we weren't thinking about size, we were thinking about impact and how clean energy could carry India forward.
In Saatvik, we chose a name that stood for purity and a mission rooted in purpose.
Saatvik was born not in boardrooms but in workstations, in grit, in late nights, and in one unshakable belief: we will deliver.
We powered rooftops, then industries, then regions, and we kept moving forward.
We measured growth not in revenue, but in trust. We didn't chase revenue, we chased purity in purpose and reliability. Every panel that left our plant had our name, our pride, and our promise.
Solar is not just a technology, it's dignity. When we power a school, a home, a workplace, or a village, we power dreams. What makes Saatvik different is not just how we manufacture. It's actually how we lead, how we learn, how we adapt. From India to the world, our panels began to light lives beyond borders.
What we built here started finding homes across the world.
With time, we didn't just grow in numbers, we grew in responsibility.
From clean energy to clean intent, Saatvik is a brand of trust and of giving back. Saatvik Social Foundation, built to give back not just light but hope.
$1 billion is a number, but that's just not our destination. Our destination is respect for Indian manufacturing, for Indian quality, for Indian leadership.
Saatvik's next chapter isn't just growth, it's scale, soul, and global recognition.
We have never been afraid to dream audaciously because our roots are strong.
मैं हूँ सात्विक.
मैं हूँ सात्विक.
मैं हूँ सात्विक.
मैं हूँ सात्विक.
This isn't just a company. It's our people, our identity, our promise.
"10 years of Saatvik, and this is just the beginning."